Here is part 2, going over geometry homework 755, part 2. We're on number 12. Hey, we want the volume of the cylinder. Well, we've got a formula. Volume of a cylinder from the formula sheet, capital B times H. Now, H is the height of the cylinder. That's right over here. Now, we need the base area. That's what capital B is. Well, base area is pi r squared. We need the radius. Well, let's go ahead and take 26/8 and cut it in half. I've got right here, radius 13.4, radius 13.4. That's the number we need. So here it is, pi radius squared. So 13.4 squared times the height. The height is the 9/8. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do it in 2 steps. Pi 13.4 squared. Here we go. Let's go pi times 13.4 squared. There it is. That's the area of the base, 564.10. Okay, 564.10 times the height, which is 9/8. Okay, there we go. Take that number, multiply it by 9/8. Now let's get rid of one of those multiplications. There we go. Good. Looking good. Okay, there it is. 5,528. 5,528. 5,528. And a little extra, our volume of the cylinder units. Always check for units. All the lengths were in cylinders. All the lengths were in some centimeters. And so our volume, centimeters cubed. I've got cylinders on the brain here. Okay, there we go. I'm looking good. How about our next one? Yeah, there we go. 17. Okay. On 17, we're looking for x. Now, what's different on this one? They give us the volume. They want the diameter. Do you see? X is really the diameter of the cylinder. Well, what we want is the diameter, and I think what we have to find first is the radius. Okay? If I find the radius, is it easy to find the diameter? Sure it is. I'm just going to double it. Okay, so let's find the radius. If they give me the volume of a cylinder, then that's the formula I'm going to use. Volume of a cylinder is base area times the height. Plug in everything you know. You know the volume. It's 128 pi. Do you know the base area? No, but do you know a formula for the base area? Yes, it's pi r squared. Do you know the height of the cylinder? Yes, it's 8. There it is. What are you going to do first? Yeah, I think the first thing to do, let's divide by pi on both sides. They're going to cancel out. Here we go. Divide on this side by pi, divide on this side. Those are gone. Nice. Here's what I got now. I got 128 equals r squared times 8. What's next? Yeah, divide by 8. There it is. Divide by 8. Okay, let's do that. 128 over 8. 128 divided by 8. Nice. 16. Okay, so we got 16 equals r squared. We take the root. 4 equals the radius. Now, that's not our answer, though. Remember, they're looking for x. Well, if the radius is 4, the diameter is 8. There it is. 8 what? Yeah, inches. It's just a length. There it is. That's our answer on this one. Boom. Okay, last one. It says the holes in the concrete block are 8 inches deep. Yeah, it's the whole way. Find the volume of the concrete block. Okay, now, this isn't a brick, it's a block. Okay? Now, what are we going to do? How are we going to figure out the volume of this block? Find the total volume and then take away the volume of the 2 holes. Okay? That's what we're looking. I'm sure you were thinking that. Okay? Here we go. Volume total minus volume of the 2 holes. Okay? Now, the shapes are just prisms. So look at the big shape. It's 1575 by 8 wide by 8 high. So we got volume equals, for a prism, the base area times the height minus, there's 2 of these, and it's going to be base area of the hole and then height of the hole. Okay, now, base area of the whole thing. Well, it's 1575 by 8. 15, let's put it down here. 1575 times 8. What's the height of the whole thing? Yeah, it's just the 8. There you go. Good. Minus 2, because there's 2 holes. Now, each hole, what's the area of each hole? Yeah, it's 4 by 4.5. Okay, so it's 4, let's put it right here. It's 4, let's get rid of that, there we go. It's 4 by 4.5. How high is each hole? Yeah, it's the same depth of the whole concrete block, so the hole is 8 inches high. There we go. There it is. Volume total over here on the left, minus 2 of the volume of the holes. Let's do it. 1575 times 8 times 8. Okay? 1575 times 8 times 8. It's really length times width times height. That's how we get that volume. There it is, 1008. Okay? 1008 minus, now, it's going to be 2 because there's 2 holes. And then 4 times 4.5 times 8. Okay? Okay, 2, and then it's going to be 4 times 4.5 times 8. There it is. Okay, 2 because there's 2 holes. The area of each hole is 4 by 4.5, and the height of the hole is 8. Boom, there it is, 288. Okay, 288. Let's subtract now. Let's do it right here. 1008 minus 288. There it is, our volume 720. Okay, let's change it to red. 720 what? Well, all the lengths were in inches, so this is going to be inches cubed. There's our volume of the block. Okay, that was, there we go, problem. Boom, boom, boom. Which one was that? Yeah, problem 29. Okay. Looking good. Yeah, we're looking good. Okay. Hey, that's the end of going over homework, page 755. All you out in video land, have a great day.